Hi there, and welcome to our Meditations for Sound Healing series. I am Joanne Shivanti, and I'm excited to guide you through this introductory journey of sound healing that starts with the very basics. Whether you're completely new to meditation or looking to enhance your practice with sound healing techniques, this series is designed for you. Now, over the next several videos, we'll explore how to use sound as a powerful tool for relaxation, healing, and spiritual growth. Our soundscapes are uniquely created to help you experience deeper states of meditation and connect with your body's natural ability to de-stress, heal, and rejuvenate through deepening your awareness of the vibrational realms of light, color, and sound. Rather than overwhelm you first with all those details, it is important that you start slow and build on the information as you are ready. You can always connect with me along your journey to know what is a good next step for you. Now, to help me learn more about you and what your goals are in working with our music, it would be great if you stop this video now and add a comment below about your current experience with sound healing. Your feedback will help me tailor this series and future videos to your specific interests in order to enhance your practice of meditation and sound healing. Today, we're starting with the most fundamental technique of all, conscious breathing. Rather than simply taking breathing for granted, we want to specifically begin to notice how we are breathing throughout our day. With this awareness and control, you will learn how to manage your stress levels easily in all situations. Rather than let your stress control you, these techniques will let you be in control of your body's unique and varied rhythms throughout the day. This practice will become the foundation for everything else we explore in this series. Before we begin with our breathing practice, let me briefly share what you can expect from this beginning series. First, we'll master the basics of meditation through breath work. That's today's focus. In future videos, we'll learn how to deeply relax the body while maintaining awareness, quiet our busy mind, and learn how to redirect your focus. You'll learn how to feel sound vibrations in different parts of your body. You'll learn how to use specific soundscapes to address specific needs, like stress relief or improved sleep. Ultimately, you will gradually expand your awareness of the subtle energies, which deepens your connection with your spiritual self. Each video in this series builds upon the previous one, creating a step-by-step approach that makes sound healing accessible to everyone. You don't need any special equipment, just comfortable headphones, a quiet space, and an open mind. If you don't have headphones, no worries. Just use what you have. Headphones create a more immersive experience and tends to block out the outside world, bringing you deeper within, which increases your awareness of what is going on in your body, mind, and emotions. You will develop more clarity in all of these areas. In today's session, we'll focus exclusively on breath. Breath is your meditation superpower. It's always with you. It's completely free, and it's the bridge between your conscious and unconscious mind, and then ultimately to your superconscious mind, where your spiritual self resides. When you learn to control your breath, you create the perfect foundation for experiencing the healing benefits of sound. Our background sounds for today will help guide your breathing rhythm and create a peaceful atmosphere for your practice. As you become more comfortable with conscious breathing, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to feel the effects of the sound vibrations in later sessions. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Pause if you need to do this. Turn off and eliminate any distractions, and create a sacred space for this journey. You can sit up straight with your hands in your lap, or lay back partially in a recliner, but don't lie flat for this exercise. Take a moment to settle into this position, making any final adjustments so that you can remain comfortable for the next 10 minutes. Begin by simply noticing your natural breath. There's no need to change anything yet. Just observe how the air feels as it enters through your nostrils. How your chest and abdomen expand and contract with each breath. Is your breath deep or shallow? Fast or slow? Just notice without judgment. Our soundscape will begin to play softly in the background. Allow it to create a peaceful space for your practice. Now let's slowly deepen the breath. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4, and then exhale through your nose for a count of 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 3, 2, 1. Continue this rhythm on your own, breathing deeply into your abdomen, allowing your belly to expand on the inhale and gently contract on the exhale. With each breath, imagine you're drawing peaceful energy in and releasing any tension out. Let the gentle tones in the background guide your breathing pace. Now we'll begin to introduce a slight pause at the top and bottom of each breath. This pause is where we can start to feel our body's internal vibrations. Inhaling through the nose for a count of 4, then pausing briefly, holding the breath gently for just a moment, then exhale through your nose for a count of 4, and pause briefly at the bottom of the exhale before beginning your next inhale. During each pause, bring your awareness to the subtle sensations inside your body. You might notice a slight tingling, pulsing, or vibrating sensation. This is your body's natural energy, your internal vibration. Listen to the sounds now to guide your breathing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2, 3. As we continue this breathing pattern, place your awareness more specifically on the pauses. At the top of your inhale, during the pause, notice the area around your heart and chest. Can you feel a subtle vibration or pulsing there? This is one of your body's energy centers, responding to both your breath and the soundscape. At the bottom of your exhale, during that pause, bring your awareness to your abdomen, just below your navel. Notice any sensations of warmth, tingling, or pulsing in this area. These subtle vibrations are always present within you, but our busy minds often overlook them. The pauses in our breath give us the space to tune in and feel them. Continue this breathing pattern for a few more moments and feel those internal vibrations growing stronger with your awareness. Notice how the sounds seem to resonate with these internal vibrations, creating a harmony and a resonance between the external sounds and your internal experience. This connection is the beginning of sound healing, allowing external vibrations to influence and harmonize with your internal state. In our next session, we'll explore this connection more deeply. But for now, simply enjoy this peaceful state of awareness for a few minutes. Gradually begin to deepen your breath again, gently moving your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this awareness of your internal vibrations with you. Begin practicing this breathing technique 5 to 10 minutes each day before the next session. You'll find that with practice, those internal vibrations become easier to detect, creating a stronger foundation for our sound healing journey together. I do have a more expanded course in my DNA Avatar program called Following the Breath that extends this breathing practice even further, and I will add that link below in the description. However, for now, I want you to move on with this series before you consider taking that course. This is a good foundation for you to start with before beginning any of the more expanded courses. Take a moment to share your experience below in the comments, and I will respond. You can also contact me directly if you prefer. Follow the links in my description below. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so I can continue creating more content for this channel. It's greatly appreciated, and I look forward to connecting with you. Namaste.